Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Milwaukee delivers exceptional performance in a remarkably compact form with this half-inch hammer drill. Despite its small footprint, the tool produces an impressive 1,400 inch-pounds of maximum torque and reaches a top speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, giving it more than enough muscle for demanding drilling and driving tasks. While it may not claim the absolute fastest speed in its class, real-world testing proves its capability. The drill powered effortlessly through both a half-inch drill bit and a 1-inch spade bit, maintaining consistent speed and control. It also performed admirably when drilling 1/4-inch holes in concrete, showing that its hammer function is more than capable for light to moderate masonry work. One of the standout features is Milwaukee's 3-speed gearbox, a welcome upgrade over the more common 2-speed setups found on competing models. This extra setting allows users to fine-tune power output, making it easier to switch from high-speed drilling to controlled screw driving without sacrificing precision. Equally impressive is how Milwaukee manages to pack all this power into such a lightweight and compact design. The drill measures just 7 inches in length and weighs only 3.3 pounds, tool only, making it comfortable to use for extended periods and ideal for tight or overhead spaces. An integrated auto-stop safety feature further enhances usability by instantly shutting off the motor if the bit binds, helping prevent wrist injuries and tool damage. While it may not top every performance chart, the balance of power, size, weight, and smart features makes this Milwaukee hammer drill one of the best all-around options available today. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE 20V drill delivers surprisingly strong performance for such a compact and affordable tool, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious users. With a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute and 400 inch-pounds of torque, it provides enough power to handle most everyday drilling and driving tasks around the home. In testing, the drill impressed by boring a half-inch hole through a 2x4 in just 3 seconds, a result that rivals some higher-priced competitors. Performance with a 1-inch spade bit was more inconsistent. While the drill could handle the task, the bit frequently bound up in the wood, requiring extra care and patience. However, when used as a driver, the Skil performed reliably, easily sinking 3-inch screws without hesitation or loss of control, which is where many entry-level drills tend to struggle. One of the biggest advantages of this drill is its lightweight design. At just 2.23 pounds, tool only, and with a compact 6.1-inch head length, it is extremely easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces or during overhead work. The slim profile and comfortable grip reduce fatigue, making it one of the most user-friendly 20-volt drills in its class. While it lacks premium features such as advanced clutch systems or multiple speed modes, Skil includes the essentials: 2 speed settings and a built-in LED work light for better visibility. Considering that many premium cordless drill kits cost $300 or more, the Skil 20V kit at around $80 offers outstanding value, solid performance, and excellent usability for DIYers and homeowners. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex has built a reputation for delivering high-performance cordless tools, and this drill fully lives up to that standard. Powered by a robust 24-volt system, it delivers a massive 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and reaches a class-leading maximum speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute. In hands-on testing, the drill showed outstanding strength and consistency, powering through demanding tasks with ease. It drilled 5 half-inch holes using a twist bit and 5 1-inch holes with a spade bit, each set completed in under 3 seconds with smooth, uninterrupted performance. To push the tool even further, testing moved to solid cement using a 3/8-inch masonry bit. While many cordless drills struggle or stall under this kind of load, the Flex continued drilling without hesitation, demonstrating exceptional durability and sustained power. This level of performance puts it closer to professional-grade tools designed for heavy-duty applications. With that power comes additional weight. The drill weighs 3.9 pounds as a bare tool and nearly 6 pounds when paired with the included 5.0 Ah battery, making it heavier than most standard cordless drills. However, its relatively compact 7.1-inch head length helps maintain balance and control, even in tighter spaces. Flex also includes several advanced features to enhance usability and safety. A dedicated turbo mode allows users to unlock maximum torque on demand, while built-in rotation protection automatically shuts the tool down if it detects dangerous over-rotation, helping prevent wrist and arm injuries. Although it comes at a higher price point, the Flex cordless drill is an excellent choice for users who demand uncompromising power and professional-level performance. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. DeWalt's flagship XR cordless drill stands out for its exceptional power, speed, and overall versatility, making it a top-tier choice for both professionals and serious DIYers. Although the manufacturer does not list an official torque rating, real-world performance leaves little doubt about its strength. In testing, the drill bored a half-inch hole through a 2x4 in roughly half a second, then followed up by drilling a 1-inch hole with a paddle bit in just 3 seconds. These times were the fastest recorded among all the drills tested, highlighting the XR's impressive drilling efficiency. Despite its raw power, DeWalt gives users excellent control. The drill features 3 speed settings, allowing precise adjustment for different tasks. By dialing back both speed and torque, it becomes easy to drive screws smoothly and accurately without stripping screw heads or damaging materials. This flexibility makes the XR just as effective for delicate fastening work as it is for heavy-duty drilling. Several thoughtful features further enhance the user experience. An integrated anti-rotation safety system automatically shuts off the motor if excessive rotational movement is detected, helping protect the user's wrist during sudden bit bindups. The drill also includes an adjustable LED work light, which can be aimed to illuminate the work area more effectively, especially useful in dim or enclosed spaces. At 4.1 pounds, tool only, the DeWalt XR is not the lightest cordless drill available. However, its relatively compact 7.6-inch head length allows it to fit into tighter spaces where bulkier drills struggle. Overall, the DeWalt XR combines speed, control, and smart safety features into a powerful and reliable all-around cordless drill. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers impressive power in a relatively compact and well-balanced design, making it a strong contender for demanding jobsite work. Producing up to 1,250 inch-pounds of torque and reaching a maximum speed of 2,100 revolutions per minute, this drill has more than enough muscle for heavy-duty drilling and driving applications. In hands-on testing, it had no trouble powering through common drilling tasks, easily driving both a 1-inch spade bit and a half-an-inch twist drill bit through solid 2x4 lumber without slowing down. The hammer drill function proved equally capable. When put to work on masonry, the drill successfully bored 5/8-inch holes into concrete, delivering consistent impact performance and maintaining solid control throughout the process. This makes it a versatile option for users who frequently move between wood, metal, and light concrete applications. Despite its raw power, the Makita hammer drill also excels as a precision driver. By dialing back the speed and torque settings, I was able to avoid stripping fasteners and consistently drive 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s with excellent control. The adjustable clutch and smooth trigger response make it easy to fine-tune output for fastening tasks that require accuracy rather than brute force. Even with all this performance, the drill remains compact, featuring a 7-inch head length that allows it to work effectively in tighter spaces. However, it is on the heavier side, weighing 5.5 pounds as a bare tool, which may cause fatigue during extended use. Overall, Makita's flagship hammer drill strikes an impressive balance between power, versatility, and professional-grade reliability.